KE. First and foremost is in most of the institutes, what will happen is like any such industry program, they will not make it as part of the curriculum, which means it will not be part of your.
अभी कहीं दूर जाऊँगा भाई, बहुत दूर जाऊँगा, यहाँ जाऊँगा मैं, यहाँ जाऊँगा प्लेन पार्ट ये है, ये प्लेन पार्ट मैं यहाँ जाऊँगा उसका वो गाने फ्री फायर इससे बेटर है। तो खेलता है क्या फ्री फायर? अभी फ्री फायर भी अपनी जगह, ये भी अपनी जगह है। मैं फ्री फायर भी खेला हूँ, ये भी खेला हूँ, कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी मोबाइल भी खेला हूँ।
It is also counted for your passing the BTech. That's the extent to which they have taken.
नीचे बैठ
Associate Infotech is one of the premium education partners of SAP, so they will do the delivery. So it's not going to be your professors, because not to say that they cannot, but obviously for them also SAP is a new topic. They are not used to SAP. So Seed Infotech has a very strong SAP training practice, so they will bring people who are certified in SAP and also have project implementation experience who will come out.
आज हम लोग लंच
So
के
the
बाद
program they will be
ना
launching
क्लास
something
में
called
जाते थे, तो मेरे को वो ओम के कह रहे साले को जब भी देखता हूँ दिमाग में दिखाते
And this is the way the syllabus will be. How many subjects will you have in a semester in engineering? Only 8 subjects, sir? 6 subjects, right? About 6 subjects. One thing for the pessimists who probably are thinking, should I get into this? Why should I narrow myself to one technology called SAP, etc.? I'm just giving you all the info. We are only replacing one subject per semester, which means 6 into 8, 48, so rather only 3 years. So 6 into 3, 18, 6 into 6 semesters, 36 subjects. In 36 subjects, we are only going to introduce 6 subjects as SAP. Balance 30 subjects will be as it is. So just in case, it will never happen, but just in case, in the end of third year, if you suddenly feel that, no, I don't think SAP is for me,
पलट
this is
गई
not my
अरे
cup of tea, I want to go the
सीधी
regular
ओह भाई मैकेनिक्स पे हैं भाई गेम
because we are not completely revamping your this one. So what
तो पहले भी ये वाला सेशन लिया था,
in every semester
ये
there
वाला
is one
सेशन
top
पहले
one
लिया
subject
था।
on SAP, that's all, nothing more.
जो हम लोग थे
And in the first
ये
year,
सेशन
we
एक
will
बार
teach
ले
you
चुके
how
हैं,
an
हम
organization
लोगों का
functions,
सुबह यही
how
वाला
business
सेशन हुआ था।
processes
फिर
run in
भोसड़ी का
ERP.
वापस इन्होंने हम लोगों को
In the
बोला
second year,
कि
we
तुम्हारे
will teach you
अटेंडेंस होगी
something called
तो ऑडिटोरियम आ
advanced
जाओ।
business application
चूतिया बन
programming.
के हम
It is
लोग
called ABAP in short. Like you have your C, C++, .NET, etc. as programming
तो
languages.
बन भी गया ना, इसीलिए यहाँ पे
SAP as an
वरना मैं तो
application has been
लाइब्रेरी में
developed
सो रहा था
using
भाई, मैं कम सोया
SAP's
था ना कल
own
रात
proprietary
में,
language
कल रात में
called
फीफा
ABAP,
देख रहे थे ना
Advanced Business
सब,
Application Programming.
तो मैं
So that
सोचा
is the
यार
thing that will be
लाइब्रेरी
taught
में
in
2
the
घंटा
next,
सो दूंगा
second year.
आराम से
That will
लंच
make you a good back-end developer.
सारा
And
चीज़
SAP
हो
now
सके।
has a new
और
front-end
भाई
which is
फिर हम
called
लोग बाहर भी
Fiori
निकल
front-end.
गए,
So
स्केप
there's a
आउट कर
programming
दिया, तो
associated
2
with that,
हिजड़े आके बोल रहे अरे अंदर जाओ अंदर जाओ अंदर जाओ।
which is called Fiori programming. So in the third year, we will teach you Fiori programming, so that by the end of 3 years, you will be a full stack developer who can do both backend programming and front-end programming in SAP applications. And the more important thing is, unlike the other peers of you who are going to go through the regular BTech CS and IT programs, in the final year, you will be totally off campus. You will be full-time into an internship project with one of the SAP partner organizations. That is the biggest difference that you will see. So when you go out in the market for recruitment, you will be looked at very differently from your peers, because one is, like your peers, you will also have a BTech in computer science and engineering, because only 6 subjects we are changing in the 36 subjects. Second is, in addition to that, you will have 3 industry certifications, all from SAP. That is the second differentiation you will have. Plus, you will have a full stack developer skill, which is again a very rarity in the market today. Even today, full stack developers are in great demand. And many a times you only get specialized backend developers or specialized front-end developers. And the next thing is, you also are going to get a 1-year internship, which is not the norm in the regular engineering. You will only get a few months of internship. So this will be considered more like a work experience by the hiring organization, because 1 year is a long time for you to work on a live project in a customer organization. and hence you will be better industry ready, obviously better placement and compensation and global career prospect, because as I told you, SAP certifications are all global certifications, global standard certifications, right? So these are the benefits for you. And the program delivery is very simple, like for any other program, any other subject, there will be theory. So that we will be giving you e-books or e-learning material in our in the SAP LMS called Learning Hub. There will be unlimited access to lab, SAP lab, practice lab. Again, it's all in the cloud, so you don't have to be in campus as long as you have an internet connection. Anytime, anywhere you can access, unlimited access to lab also for that period. Teaching, as I told you, teaching will be done as a physical classroom training by the instructors from Seed Infotech who are SAP certified here in your campus itself. So it's not virtual training also, it's physical classroom. So you have a
माइनस
in
होगा
front of you with whom you can interact, have that.
अरे अभी भी बचेगा भाई अब नहीं लगेगा
Then the last thing is assessments and certifications. Obviously, being part of the curriculum of the